Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove background from photos using Canva on your phone. Okay, it's different than the actual desktop version. So let me show you very easy, very simple guys. The first thing that you want to do, you want to log into your Canva account. Then you want to click on the lower center of the screen. You want to hit the plus sign. The next step will be over here. We are going to select our image. On the lower left side of the screen, you will have an option to either create a custom size prior uploading, or you can upload your own file. On the right side, you will see that we already uploaded our file, which is this beautiful Ferrari car. Okay, now after the image is uploaded, you can essentially click on the upper right corner and click edit photo. Now you can skip the tour, right? And for the purpose of us removing the background, all we gotta do is to click on the second menu section underneath on effects. When you click on effects, you will simply see that the first option over here is that BG remover essentially will remove the background. This is where you're gonna click, and this is how you're going to remove your background. Click on this, and this is how you're going to do it. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.